What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. Coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Mountain Time here in Colorado. $3 football break for you tonight. But first, a bed break drawing for last night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is 1. And now we'll get the roster for tonight's break. And here we go, 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here's the roster for tonight. And we'll start off with the absolute. All right, good luck, everybody. AJ Green, Giovanni Bernard, Jermaine Gresham, Andy Dalton, Hog Heaven, Eli Manning, CJ Spiller, Dez Bryant, 1/99. Cowboys going to Barry. Rookie helmet patch for the Bills, Samuel Watkins, 36/99. Going to Henry. 6-panel patch, rookie for the Bucks, Mike Evans, 12/49. Bucks going to Steven. Tools of the Trade patch for the Broncos, Terrell Davis, 27/99. Going to Angelo. Absolute Ink autograph for the Ravens, Jimmy Smith. Going to 1. Tools of the Trade patch for the Titans, Sean Green, 235/249. Going to Brian G. And a rookie auto for the Jags, Alan Hearns, 37/99. Going to Chris K. And now the playbook. Rookie autograph, orange parallel for the Packers, Jared Abadaris, 5/20. Going to 1. And a rookie booklet for the Bills, dual jumbo patches, Samuel Watkins. Going to Henry, 59/199. Dez Bryant, Tom Brady, Colin Kaepernick, Jordy Nelson, 50 out of 60. Going to 1. Rookie 2-color patch for the Chargers, Hunter Henry, 64 out of 99. Chargers going to Pedro. Rookie auto 3-color patch for the Rams, Pharaoh Cooper. Rams going to 1. And we'll finish with a on-card rookie auto for the Browns, Cody Kessler. Browns going to Steven. And that will do it for tonight's break. Off tomorrow to watch some football. Back at it Friday night. Case break of the Crown Royal. Take a look. Grab